Ever since I was offered the position to work with Gary Crunkleton, I was so excited about how much the team was going to get to learn. And then hearing about the fact that we were eventually going to take the trip to Kentucky was so exciting. I felt so lucky to be a part of something where my education was so important to continue on throughout my career here. But one thing I respect so much about Gary and Blake and Rob is how important they see it is that we do give back to our staff and make sure that they have all of the means that they need to be able to sell the products that we have on the bar.
Eight distilleries, plus a chance to go to some of the better bourbon restaurants and places in Louisville. That is really special. Gary knows how to educate staff. Of course, Gary's very well educated. So, if I've done nothing else, I hope that I've inspired some people to experiment around with bourbon and food and see, what bourbons go best with what. I've heard a lot of chefs talk about the aging of beef is very similar to the aging of bourbon. Bourbon takes a lot longer, but the same type of processes. When I got the job at United Distillers as a graduate student and saw all the history that was available there through this archive, and then when I went out and tried to find out more about bourbon history and how little was out there, it just inspired me that, hey, this is something that needs to be explored. This is Kentucky's heritage, that if, someone doesn't save it, it's going to be lost. And in the early 1990s, that was a real possibility, because bourbon wasn't having a boom.
That is how.
It's the heritage of our country, it's the heritage of our state, it's the heritage of our culinary, here in Kentucky. It's heritage, that's the word that comes up, bourbon.